Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, job opportunity from Amazon company, position seller support associate. Any graduates can apply for this position. So we'll discuss complete details in this video. Before going into a main content, a small request to the viewers, those who are visiting channel for the first time. Our channel provides all latest job updates time to time, so please do subscribe channel. Yes, as we discussed, company Amazon, work location Hyderabad, position seller support associate. In order to apply for this position, viewers, basic qualification includes any bachelor degree in any discipline. You can apply for this position. Freshers and up to 4 years experience candidates are eligible for this position. Main important thing is candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English. Candidate need to be flexible enough. Amazon job involves working in 24/7 environment including night shifts, and shifts are decided based on the business requirements. And we had 5 working days, 2 rotational week offs. Very important point, 2 rotational week offs. During first 4 months is a training period, no unplanned leaves are allowed. Ability to use, like candidate need to have knowledge regarding how to use laptop, desktop, and he or she need to be familiar with internet browsers, Windows OS, Microsoft Outlook and MS Office. And as well as viewers, Amazon offering work from home opportunity for seller support associate position. So home environment should free from background noise, where you can connect to the internet and work on your deliverables. Should have good internet connection with minimum speed of 20 Mbps or better. Should have at least 100 GB data from reliable provider. Very important point. As they are offering work from home opportunity, so home environment obviously should free from noise, and basically internet connection should be very good, high speed internet connection and backup power, like power backup. Okay, should have access to mobile phone at all the time from reliable provider. Should have power backup, already we discussed this point. And should be willing to interact with seller over calls, emails, chat depending upon business needs. Candidates who are based in Hyderabad should apply for this position. When we come to preferred qualification, viewers, any graduates can apply. Languages English, other than BE, BTech, MBA freshers can apply. Okay, experience with customer service environment preferred, and desire to expand skills into new areas. Technical, like computer internet knowledge is must. Should have interest in the area of e-commerce and retail dealing. Committed seller advocate, drive process, tool improvements, and basically candidate need to be enthusiasm, strong self motivated, strong self motivation, strong prioritization, time management skills with high degree and of flexibility, demonstration skills for contact per response time in face of variable workflows, effective communication, professional attitude, and as well as candidate need to have knowledge regarding MS Office application, especially Excel, and need to know how to use Internet, Mozilla, Firefox. Interested candidates can apply for this position, viewers. Even in the same notification, they clearly mention regarding roles and responsibilities, which includes, provide prompt and efficient service to Amazon seller and merchant, including appropriate seller issues, maintain positive and professional, always portraying the company in positive light and effectively managing sensitive issues. So they mention each and everything very clearly. Interested candidates, please do refer notification once. If you are eligible, you can apply for this particular position. I am going to provide link in description. Through link you can apply particular position if it is matches to your profile. Any graduates can apply, freshers and experienced candidates, and they are offering work from home opportunity. So this is a very good job opportunity, viewers. Directly you can log in into Amazon site and you can apply for this particular position. So I am going to provide link in description. So through link you can log in into Amazon site and you can apply for this particular position. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews. Please do subscribe Adira Job Creation YouTube channel. Hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time.